Your rental may not be your forever home, but it should still reflect your personality. We have some creative ways to personalize your rental in today's Ask Angie. When it comes to renovating your rental, a little creativity can go a long way. In today's Ask Angie segment, Mallory Meistish, a home care expert at Angie, is here to show us how to personalize a rental.
A great first place to start is by reading your lease or talking to your landlord. A lot of landlords are open to changes, but are going to want to know what those changes are ahead of time. When in doubt, reach out to your landlord to make sure that anything you plan on doing is okayed by them.
If you're allowed to paint in your rental, that can be a great place to start. You may have to choose from pre-approved colors, or your landlord may ask you to paint again before you move out. Either way, a little bit of paint can hide wall imperfections and show some of your personality.
If you're looking to elevate your kitchen or your bathroom, consider either peel and stick tile or removable wallpaper. Both of those are going to be very renter friendly, but I would suggest doing a test first to see how they're going to impact your walls. Some may be more removable with others, and that's a good thing to know before you start your project.
Your decor and furniture can make a huge impact on the overall look of the space. Install curtains and lay down rugs to make the space feel comfortable. As an added bonus, rugs can cover up scratched or worn floors that have seen better days.
Something I've done in my rentals has been switching out my hardware, shower heads, and even a light fixture or two. Those are great little projects that make a big visual impact. Remember to keep all the old hardware and old appliances to put back in before you move out. And lastly, when you move, you can keep all that hardware that you installed.
Do you have any questions about your home projects? We'll tweet them using hashtag #AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.